Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here, and if this is your first time stopping by, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're returning, thank you for being a part of the family. Okay, so for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing my new tripod. Actually, it's a new tripod, but I bought it a long time ago, but I haven't used it. So today I've decided to unbox it. So actually it's not in a box because I bought it a long time ago in China from Taobao. That's an online website in China where you can shop. So yeah, and when I was moving back home, I had to throw away the carton or the box it came in because of space. Yeah, so this is it. Apart from the box which I threw away, this is how it looks like inside. So now I'm going to open it up so you guys also we can all see how the tripod looks like. Okay, I'll get back to this later. Let me take off this plastic. And the brand is Digipod. It's not very clear. Yeah, it's like a little manual. Yeah, so inside there's a little manual on how to mount the tripod, I think. Yeah, so let's proceed. This one looks quite different from the one I had before, so I think I'm going to have to learn how to mount it. Yeah, so let's do that. Oops, let's head back to the manual. So you see this on the legs. I open it and I open it, so then the leg will extend. Ooh, it's so long. I'll do the other side too. Open one, you get the first leg, then make sure you close it, then open and also pull out the other leg and then close. Okay guys, you can also extend like this part up, so all you have to do is unscrew this a little bit, and then you see this, you just turn this all up. You see how it's going up. So yeah, apart from the legs going up, you can also extend the upper part of it. This is to move your camera around. If you want it positioned like this, you can do that, or if you want it this way, yeah, it's just to rotate the camera. This is where you attach your camera. Yeah, I think I have an old camera, so yeah, let me get that and then show you guys how to mount it up. Okay, but before I get to the camera, let me show you the other accessories that came with this. Okay, this is for the phone. Yeah, I think here you can attach your phone under here. So I'm going to screw this on top. Okay, so yeah, it is. I've attached it. Also, this came with the whole package. A remote shutter. The bigger button up is for your camera and then iOS, and then this one, the smaller button down, is for Android iOS. If you are using your phone, if you have an Android phone, you can use this button. If you have a camera or an iOS phone, then you can use this. So here's the camera. Okay, but first off, I think I should take off this before and mount the camera on it before putting it back. I think that would be easier, so let me try and see. So remember, we pull this and then take this off. So I've taken that off. You can see there's nothing there. Okay, like I was showing you the brand, this is it, Digipod. Yep, this is pretty clear, so you can see this is the brand of the tripod. So guys, I finally figured out where this little piece is going to. So guys, thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you also learned something from this unboxing video. So yeah, yes, my new tripod, and I'm about to start using it, and overall I can say I figured out the most important features to begin using it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.